Okay, guys, welcome to Amir's Online IT School, and we're talking about jobs here. So, on 17th June, we have a job of help desk support technician. It's offered by Dynamic Solutions Incorporation. It's in Markham, Ontario. The salary is not mentioned here. It's a full-time job, and qualifications required are you must know Active Directory, Exchange, Office 365, and then you must have some previous experience as well. But what you will be doing, you will be supporting Windows 10, 8, 7, Apple OS X, Office 29, 2016, 2013, Android and iOS mobile devices, Exchange 2019, 16, 13, Office 5 mailbox administration, email anti-spam storage backup. So apply to this job as soon as possible. There's the link on indeed.com, and good luck. So, any comments you want to tell me how am I doing, you can just let me know. I'll keep publishing more jobs there. Okay, see you then.